So oh, this is painful. Oh, this is so painful. It's so painful. What's going on, Fireflies? It is me, NeonMUA, and I am back. Oh yes, for another video. Today's video is going to be a interesting, to say the least, video. As you can read by the title, I will be doing my makeup in reverse. So what that's going to involve me doing is just basically taking my makeup routine and doing it in the complete opposite direction. I'm terrified, petrified, and worried for my life right now. But we're gonna see how this goes. As always, you guys, before this video begins, make sure you go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. We're working on it. We're getting closer to twice a week. It's getting there, you know? And without further ado, we're gonna get into this reverse makeup challenge. Reverse makeup challenge. Well, let me do it this way since it's reverse. Let's go. Oh God, this is terrifying. So for this, like I said, I'm going to be doing my makeup in reverse. The only thing I will not be doing in reverse, the only thing I won't be doing in reverse is priming and setting my face. There's no point in setting my face first. And two, y'all are not going to catch me out here in these streets with my skin looking busted because I did my makeup in reverse. No. I still got places to go. Taking the Maybelline Master Studio Prime Blur Smooth Primer. And nothing new to see here, people. We're just gonna prime my face. Alright, face is primed. Cool, now we get into the fun stuff. So usually the last thing I do is my lips. So that will be the first thing I do today. I'm gonna take the Focus. I'm going to take the Morphe liquid lipstick in the color Jealousy. I'm trying to get my lips to be perfect, even though I know my face is going to be ruined. Oh wow. The shenanigans begin already. The shenanigans have begun. So what I want to do is actually challenge myself to get this look to look somewhat decent. Probably going to regret everything I say right now. So yeah, next I'm going to highlight. And I'm actually going to take a liquid highlighter because that makes more sense than to put powder. I'm trying, but I feel like this is going to be a shit show regardless. Next, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Lumi Drops Amore Drop Situation. I don't know why I'm trying to describe this to you. I don't want to look. Oh, child. Alright, and I'm just going to blend that out with this brush. Aside from my lip being a bit much, this is looking okay. I'm giving you this god-like glow because I use sometimes I use liquid highlighters under my foundation, as you guys have seen. So this part isn't bad. I just look super bomb. Like, so far we're looking like a decent human being. This is where I feel like it's starting to start turning crazy. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. dark. Yes, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. dark blush palette, and I'm going to just take. What color is not gonna make me look stupid? We're gonna go with this color. Oh God. Oh. This is slow. Oh dear God. This is slowly turning into my Pikachu inspired look from her color series videos because I don't have anything for this to blend into. Oh. Next will be my eyes. So I'm going to pop on some lashes from Eyelure, and someone's coming in the house. Hi.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Why are you looking like that? Like a baby doll.
Because I'm doing my makeup in reverse. Yeah, I know. Yeah. I know.
What's it? Get the whole. Dang.
You thought. Now I'm going to throw on lashes because that's what be the last eye thing I do. So yeah, I'm going to pop on these eyeliner lashes and we're going to get deeper into this mess, okay? Okay, so after a million years, I finally got lashes on and I feel like I'm going to die. So I'm going to line my eyes because I've already, you know, ruined them already. So yeah, I'm just gonna go wet liner. Watch me struggle because I can't see my eyes because of my lashes. Okay, there we go. There's my cat eye. I told you I was gonna try it, but right now it kind of looks good. So next I'm gonna go and do my eyes. I'm using the Rimmel London Magnified Color Eye Edition Shadow Palette. Listen, we're gonna go with like a copper-ish eye, I guess. And there's no point in putting on primer because this is painful. Oh, this is so painful. It's so painful. Oh no, it's there's no base, so it's real patchy. Oh, it's so patchy. Oh, why is it so patchy? Oh, just gonna take this darker color to give me some definition. Oh, and granted, this palette is actually really pigmented, but I feel like because I have no base right now, all the shadow is just all over the place. And yeah, and then it blends out into a patchy disaster. I'm gonna go in and I guess deepen up the crease. Oh, what's the point? There goes my liner, ruined. I just ruined my liner, folks. I can't even see my eye. Oh, here we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, there goes the liner again. What was I thinking? Lord. Okay. It's not bad, I guess. Try blending that out. And my eyelashes are in the way. Let's bring this all together here. I'm trying to stay with like skin color tones because my eyes look like trash. They look like trash, trust me.
Yeah, long way.
Exactly.
On the bottom?
It's gone now, you can't see it because I did everything in reverse. So the eyeliner's covered up now. Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
You can always go back and put it back on.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to linger on this any more than I have to. I just feel like I look muddy and glowy. I just look a lot. I look a lot. Alright, cool. Eyes are done. Now I'm gonna do my brows. And doing my brows isn't necessarily a bad thing here because, you know, sometimes when I'm working with a lot of colors like blue and stuff, I do my brows first because it makes sense in my eyes. So this isn't too bad. I sound speechless right now, and that's because I am. It's just like trying to do my brows, looking at my face is this is painful, you guys. It's like I want you guys to know this is painful. Okay, I'm gonna go in and shape them up with concealer. And this is where it gets froggy, kids. Okay. So this isn't too bad. But okay, here we go. Oh, so all of that work I did at the bottom of my eyes is pretty much ruined now. I just feel so out of my element right now. Like I'm trying to put at least a decent effort into it, but this is mentally this is challenging. Like you're throwing yourself out of your norm and like going against everything you know and learned over me over the past 3 years, and it's like, ugh, no. Oh sis, what is you? Oh baby, what is you doing? Look at me.
What? This under your eyes look dark. Why did you do that?
What do you mean under my eyes it looks dark? Because I don't have anything under my eyes. No, blending this. Oh, my eye makeup is dead now. Okay, so that's not. I was about to say that's not too bad, but it is. Because you know I blended at the top of my brows. That looks cute, but literally all that eye work I did at the bottom is gone now. Super. Now let's make this even more painful by doing contour. I'm gonna go with the Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette, and I'm gonna blend this out, and okay. All right, this is. I don't know, I look foolish at this point. Is what? So now I want to conceal with some. Oh Jesus, this is gonna be interesting. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Breathe, there. You're gonna get through this. Just breathe. Just gonna blend that out now. What just happened? Let me set it with powder. I don't want my concealer to crease. If you ever see me on the street looking like this, just shoot me down. Just like, oh. Now this look will come full circle. I'm going to go, I'm going to put on my foundation and just cover up everything I just done using the NARS Luminous Weightless Foundation. I picked this foundation because it's lightweight, so I figured maybe all of my hard work won't go to waste. We shall see. And just like that, all my work is gone. and it's all gone. Like you can. No, can't see the blush, can't see the contour. You can maybe see the highlight a little. I got foundation all on my lips to set my face. Setting my face with the Urban Decay Chill Setting Spray. Alright, look, this was a choice. My makeup is a choice right now. My brows were snatched until I had to put on foundation and concealer. My eyelashes are all over the place because I don't know. Eyeliner's gone. Most of my eye work is gone because of that concealer. My lips look like trash. My contour and highlight is gone. The one thing I will say does look decent is my skin, but that's because NARS foundations are a bop. They're the plug. So that's the only reason why I look reasonably okay at the moment. Other than that, I am ready to take this off. Okay. Yeah. Follow me on my social medias, you guys. That's NeonMUA on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Lionheart555 on Snapchat. Like this video. Subscribe. Gosh, this is painful to look at. I post new videos roughly twice a week. Just pray for me. Do all the stuff y'all usually do at the end of my videos, because right now I just can't take it. My mood is just drained. It's just so until next time, you guys. Nope. Get me out of here. Turn the camera off. Ugh.